Hi mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation and in-house lead broker of Pilinbas Land. Welcome to The Peak at Habala Township in Taytay, Rizal. So tara mga kabahay, puntahan natin yung available na reopen namin here in The Peak. So located siya in Block 8, Lot 1 and Lot 3. So yan, kakanan po tayo dito. And actually, ito na po yung Block 8. Perimeter lot po lahat yan. So tara mga kabahay, puntahan natin yung available namin na reopen units here in The Peak, located in Block 8, Lot 3 and Lot 1. So tara mga kabahay, puntahan natin. So located yung reopen units na residential lot only in The Peak, in Block 8 and Lot 3. So ito po actually yung location. So nasa Block 8, Lot 3. Yan po. I-flash ko na lamang yung pinaka-details niya on screen. And next lot is located naman po in Block 8, Lot 1. So ito po yung Block 8, Lot 1. Nakita niyo na yung available namin na reopen lots in Block 8. Puntahan naman natin yung nasa Block 3, located in Lot 19. So ito na po yung Block 3, Lot 19. Isa sa mga reopen units namin here in The Peak. So yung mga kabahay, nakita niyo na yung mga reopen units namin here in The Peak, located in Block 8 and Lot 3. So if you're interested sa mga pinakita ko kanina, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation. Thank you for watching and bye!